What do you do, y'all? Welcome to the Crypto Channel 329. Today's video is going to be about the Fortune Hunters. So today's going to be the last video that I'm going to make about the Fortune Hunters projects. Okay, so this video is about refunds, as you can see from the thumbnail. Okay, so finally the team decided to issue the refunds. Okay, so the votes ended yesterday. Was it yesterday? 2 days ago. And yesterday was announced, and yesterday and today, I think, sometime early today, they issued the remaining refunds. So everybody got paid. So if your wallet it's on this list right here, okay, and you see any figures right here, you definitely received something. Okay, so it wasn't the full amount, but some people claiming was 27%, other people claiming 30%. I really don't know the percentage, but we received a partial refund. Okay, so if your wallet is on this list, go ahead and check your wallet, and you definitely will find some extra BNB in your wallet, essentially. Okay, guys, I've tried it to join the socials to share the transaction hashes from the dev team, but seems like they banned me or the Telegram group is not working for some reason. Okay, whatever. I'm not really interested. I just wanted to share with y'all. Okay, guys. So refunds has been issued, so everybody got partially refunded. Okay, so it's time to close this chapter and move on. Okay, guys. So all we gotta do is call it a loss. Take it as you want it and move on. Okay, guys, learn from this lesson, and essentially that's it. That's all I gotta say about the Fortune Hunters. Fortune Hunters had a huge potential. Okay, the community really believed, the team really believed in their words, but as we go along, as we went along with the projects, we start to realizing that it wasn't actually the way they were telling, right? So they were saying FOF was harder to maintain because it was 2% a day, whereas, and people will be able to claim every 5 days, whereas MOF, it was a walk in a park. Okay, it was a walk in a park, it's just a breeze, 1% a day is easy to maintain, blah, blah, blah. We all got misled by that, and we all got screwed. Okay, guys, but I'm not here to criticize anyone. I'm just sharing the facts with y'all and also sharing my disappointment. And for me, this is going to be the last video that you will see from Fortune Hunters because, they lost my trust, right? So for me, that's game over. I'm no longer on the Telegram group. And this is going to be the last video that I'm going to share with y'all in regards to Fortune Hunters because they broke my trust in them. Okay, guys? So essentially, majority of the things that they were saying, were not completely true. So that being said, I'm gonna wrap this video up. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.